In this video, we're going to explore some of the best job portals for Python developers, the places where real opportunities are posted, where you can submit your resume and often apply directly. Whether you're just starting out or already have experience, using the right platforms can save you time and help you land your dream job faster.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you.
Let's walk through some of the most effective ones. Let's start with a platform you probably already know, LinkedIn. Now, most people think of LinkedIn just for networking, but it's also one of the best places to find Python jobs. You can filter by location, experience level, or remote work. And since many companies post jobs directly on LinkedIn, you're getting access to fresh, active listings. Even better, you can reach out to recruiters or connect with Python professionals in your field. Just make sure your profile is up to date, especially with your Python projects, certifications, and relevant skills. Next up is Indeed. This is one of the largest job sites in the world, and it's packed with Python openings, from entry-level roles to senior positions. The interface makes it easy to filter by salary, company, or job type, like remote or on-site. One of the best features? You can upload your resume and apply with just one click. To stay ahead, set up job alerts with keywords like Python developer. That way, new jobs land right in your inbox every day. Another great resource is Glassdoor. Now, Glassdoor doesn't just list jobs, it gives you a full picture of the company. You'll find reviews from current and former employees, average salary ranges, and even sample interview questions. So when you're searching for Python roles, you're also getting behind the scenes insight. Perfect for preparing before you apply. Don't skip the interview section on company profiles. It's a goldmine for understanding what kinds of questions they might ask. Now let's talk about Stack Overflow Jobs, which is now part of Stack Overflow Talent. If you're serious about tech, this platform is built just for people like you. Because Stack Overflow is already a developer-focused community, their job board is full of legit technical roles, many of them remote-friendly or even fully remote. Want to stand out? Complete your developer story and add links to your GitHub or personal projects. It adds credibility to your application. Moving on to Dice.com. Dice is a job portal dedicated entirely to tech, which means no unrelated job clutter. Here you'll find Python roles in areas like data science, backend development, DevOps, and automation. Use targeted keywords in your search like Python automation by Python developer or Python with Django. It'll help you narrow down the listings that match your skills. Now, if remote work is your goal, there are portals built just for that. Sites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and AngelList Talent are great places to find flexible and startup roles. Turing.com is another strong option if you're looking for Python developer placements that match your experience with global clients. These platforms are perfect if you want the freedom to work from anywhere. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to boost your job search. Don't stick to just one portal. Use at least two or three. Keep a simple spreadsheet to track your applications. Tweak your resume slightly for each role, especially to match key job description terms. Set up job alerts so you're the first to know when something new comes up. Remember, it's not just about applying to more jobs. It's about applying smarter. The more strategic you are with where and how you apply, the better your chances of landing interviews.